Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your home and office smart and energy efficient in 2024. Smart homes and offices are not only convenient and comfortable, but also offer many benefits, such as saving money, time, and energy, enhancing security, comfort, and sustainability, and supporting renewable energy sources. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let me show you how you can achieve that with some simple tips and tricks. The first thing you need to do is to invest in some essential smart devices, such as smart speakers, smart displays, smart hubs, smart plugs, smart bulbs, smart thermostats, and smart cameras. These devices can help you connect and control your other smart devices and provide you with useful information and entertainment. You can use voice assistants, such as Copilot, to automate your daily tasks, such as setting alarms, checking the weather, playing music, ordering food, and more. You can also use smart hubs and remotes to control all your smart devices with one touch or voice command. The next thing you need to do is to upgrade your appliances, such as your refrigerator, oven, dishwasher, washer, dryer, and air conditioner with smart models. These appliances can help you save energy, water, and time by adjusting their settings, scheduling their cycles, and notifying you of their status. For example, you can use a smart refrigerator to keep track of your groceries, order food online, and suggest recipes. You can also use a smart oven to preheat, cook, and turn off automatically based on your preferences and schedule. The final thing you need to do is to automate your routines, such as your morning, evening, and bedtime routines with smart scenes and routines. These scenes and routines can help you activate or deactivate multiple smart devices at once with a single command or trigger. For example, you can create a good morning scene that turns on your lights, plays your favorite music, and brews your coffee, or a good night scene that turns off your lights, locks your doors, and sets your alarm. And that's it. You have successfully made your home and office smart and energy efficient in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your favorite smart devices and how you use them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!